Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm cooking jollof rice, African jollof rice. So first to tomato or onion to cook ready go. Or rice to half cook. Purina yese. Edina. Last day ikilogo de haldi. So this is how stadium. Many more to come. Many more ingredients to come. So this is dry browns, small no. Make it. These are the ingredients. Chili powder, black pepper, dhania powder, garam masala. I think enough. See, this is again another variety. And this is rice. We'll mix all together. So rice is a little bit half done. So need to put again little. At last, chicken fry. Fine. My jollof rice is done. This is the final cook. Chicken and chutney also is there.